Right now, we are living and working together through an unprecedented time. City, county, and state government, we're all working together to take the advisement of our healthcare professionals to make the best decisions we can for the health and safety of this community. One of the best tools that we as citizens and as community leaders have to give to our health professionals is the COVID-19 testing that's available throughout the state right now. The larger the data set and the more results collected, the better decisions our healthcare professionals can make, and the better they can advise us about how we need to move forward. Since there is testing available here and it's free, you do not have to have insurance, you do not have to have symptoms. I think it's important for me to set that example and to go be tested. Am I worried about testing positive? Absolutely. I don't have any symptoms today, but that doesn't mean I'm not an asymptomatic carrier. But I want to make sure that I'm not here putting anyone else at risk as our team comes back into the building. So I have a responsibility to do this, to set an example for all of you out there. So I'm going to go through this process. So here we are at the registration process. I'm going to walk you through that. Start off by going to our city website, richmondindiana.gov. And there you will find the COVID-19 in Richmond page. This is a really useful resource. And then there is the testing right here, ISDH Optum Site Resource and Map. It's right there. You click on that, it will take you to this page here. And this is where you fill out all the information to schedule your test. And we're now going to schedule the appointment. And so here we are, it's May 19th, and I can select today. There are many days available, and I have 5 to 5:30, 5:30 to 6. I'm just going to go with the earliest time available. That's 5 o'clock. And I am finished scheduling my appointment. Here we are at the testing location. There is ample parking here, and this is very easily accessible. When you pull up and you're getting ready to go in for your appointment, don't take a lot with you. I mean, you don't want to take a lot of things in here for cross-contamination. So bring your ID, have that with you, and then don't bring your phone. Write your identification number down on a piece of paper like I've done, and then you are required to wear a mask. I'm going to head inside, take the test, and then come back with a review. All right, so my COVID-19 test is complete, and I got to tell you, that was nowhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. Watching videos on the internet, I was dreading that. It is not that bad. It's uncomfortable, but it's certainly not unbearable, and it's very quick. I learned something very important in there. We went through that lengthy online process, which is still preferred. That's helpful to them if you do go through that process. But if you don't have that ability, you can just drive up here and walk right in. You don't have to have insurance, nothing like that at all. They do have a table where you can sign up for health coverage if you need that, and they'll turn that into the state, but it's not required to complete this test. There is no charge, and there are no obstacles in your way. You can pull up here, you can walk in, and you can take this test. So I encourage you to do that. If you want more information, go to our richmondindiana.gov page, our COVID-19 in Richmond tab, and learn more. But this is easily accessible. It's free. There's no insurance required. I was in and out in a couple of minutes, and nowhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. So now I'll just await my results.